Hey, this is Jenny Jones, Digital Growth Hack Club. Listen, hey, I know there's a lot of people. I've been getting a lot of comments and a lot of email messages of people who just wanted to just start. How do I get into digital marketing? Where did you start, Jenny? How did you grow your large digital real estate all over the internet and different courses? And you're in Amazon, you have two apps in the App Store. I have a lot of digital assets, and I'm just going to tell you where you can start. And what I want to do with my channel is I want to give something to veterans, but I also want to give something to people who are just starting out. Where do I start, Jenny? The first thing I would do, and let me just tell you a little bit first, that you need to understand that there's going to have to be some work involved somewhere down the line. True wealth is built brick by brick, or it's inherited. You never just stumble into it. I mean, everybody's not Justin Bieber, right? But even Justin Bieber had a talent because he was discovered by playing the drums as a youth, right? And so you got to have some skill, you got to have some talent, you got to be good at something, right? Even if you're good, let's say you're good at fishing, right? Just start a vlog and start talking about fishing. Here's the reason why. Google and YouTube are the world's largest repositories of information. They are not in business if we do not provide them information. And we either provide them information through digital means, whether you're using your phone, and I've seen some people start from only a phone, or you need to learn how to write or learn how to write. If you're really, really good, you'd start both. You'd start a digital asset at one time, starting a YouTube following, and you'd start a blog or some type of following with the information that you're putting together and writing. And what I wanted to do is I'm going to come back later and show you some of the digital assets that I've put together with some of the classes and courses, but I don't want to start you there. I want you to start from the beginning. So this is for you who don't know where to start and want to get into digital marketing. This is one of the first things that I would do. I would go find a tool like, this is a tool called Blogger, right? And this is by this is by Google, right? This is a free blog or blog platform that you could use. And people say, why would you use Blogger? Well, first of all, it's free. Second of all, it's Google, right? So if I have relevant content on Blogger, where do you think Google's going to look first? The companies they own, their own assets. So if you write good articles on Blogger, which is owned by Google, which you don't have to pay for, it's free, then they're going to serve up your information. What you do inside there is you need another tool like a MailChimp or Aweber, right? Something that's going to give you a free landing page so people can get more information or subscribe to your list to want to know more. If you want to talk about fish and you want to talk about fishing tackle and what's the best bait to use and all that, you start a story on that and you start a blog on it. Whatever you do, you got to be good at something, right? And you start that, but then you have a landing page. Aweber is free. I'll have a link in there for that. It's free, but I'm introducing it to you if you've never heard of it. And you can create a landing page and you can gather all your email addresses for people that click on your blog, and you have a link inside your blog that says, hey, if you want to know more information, you can get on my mailing list here, and you use that link there and it goes to your email list, right? Then once it goes to your email list, then that's how you're able to get started. Another thing is you want to have a tool like Blogley. This is a tool. I think I have an affiliate link in there for them as well. I think theirs is free as well. Theirs is free. And I put an arrow next to Blogger because this is actually Blogger. This is a blog I can put together, talk about different things. Again, fish, tackle, whatever you want to talk about. But because this tool automatically connects to it, this tool will grade you on how well your paper is written and how well it will do in the blogosphere, right? So that's why I love this tool. I use this tool every time I'm writing my blogs, and it helps me structure my blogs as well. And another tool you'll need in your tool bag. So it's 4 tools, and I'm gonna give you one bonus tool. This is another tool, Grammarly. It's free. So all the 4 tools I just shared with you, Aweber, Blogley, Blogger, and Grammarly. They're all free tools that you can use. You can get started today. So if I were you, I would start, if I'm passionate about something, I would start a YouTube channel, and I would start a blog that follows that YouTube channel, because what you can do is you can show someone something in YouTube, then have them click on a link and then go to your blog to learn more information or something of that nature. And here's a bonus I wanted to give you for staying on this long. Neil Patel has a tool called Aweber Suggests, and what it does is it tells you, kind of gives you an idea of what are people looking for. When people are searching online, it does the back end heavy lifting for you. Again, it's $29 a month if you have any money. If you drive Uber during the day, save your money at night, you want to try to at least be able to afford $29 a month. What this tool is going to do is going to tell you what people are looking for. Hey, what are people looking for? Because once you find out what they're looking for, you can just blog about it or write about it. You can structure your blog in Blogley. You can have links inside your blog that go to your email landing page, and then you do all the edits inside of Grammarly. Grammarly works in conjunction inside of Blogley. So if you connect those up, then you'll be able to connect all of your errors and stuff that you can make, and it'll teach you how to write it very well inside of Blogley. So again, those are the tools. I gave you 4 free tools, right? I gave you Aweber, Blogley, Grammarly, and Blogger, right? And then I gave you 1 paid tool. This is a paid tool. This is your discovery tool. If you don't have a subject you can write about, you don't have a subject you can blog about, and you want to just find one or discover what people are doing, I don't suggest that. But if you want it, the reason why I don't suggest it, because you have to be passionate about it, because you will stop doing it if you're not passionate about it, and because you don't make a lot of money initially doing this. So this has been Jenny Jones. Wanted to share some tools with you for those who are trying to get into digital marketing. This is a very good start, and this is a free start. All right. The most it'll cost you is $29 if you don't have a skill, but it'll be absolutely free if you do have a skill. All you have to do is learn how to write. And with a tool like Grammarly, you're on your way. This is Jenny Jones, again, trying to help you out there, trying to help you make money and move the bottom line in your business and grow your digital world and your digital assets. Thanks for chiming in. Hope you guys are doing well. Be safe out there. Goodbye for now.